I might be done trading for the day today. It's not even, the New York session has not even opened yet. It won't open for another couple hours, but I woke up pretty early here and I'm trading London. And, we had a really strong run up this morning um, up here. As you can see, this is a 15-minute chart on the NQ. And over here, I've got a 10-second execution chart. But, I was just kind of watching things run up and um, I took a couple sim trades to warm up in this area here, and they didn't go too far. They went up a few points and came back and stopped me out break even. So I was kind of waiting for a setup that I noticed that was happening a lot when we had a down market the last couple days. That setup, sorry, I'm sorry, this is a 1 hour chart. You can get an even better feel with the 1 hour chart. But over the last couple of days, I saw some really great trade setup that I did not take, and I kind of told myself, hey, if that kind of thing comes along again, then you definitely don't want to miss it. Essentially, the trades are pivot rollover trades on the short side. So as you can see here, we had real strong push down, and then we had this doji right here that you see, and that indicates, generally speaking, a possible pivot. So what I was waiting for on that one, um, or this type of trade, what I'm waiting for is a one more red candle to confirm the rollover, and then at that point you can look for a little back test against a key EMA, and then a flush. So that happened here. I was noticing I didn't take these trades, but I saw them after, and I was like, hey, these are cool trades. So here, instead of a doji, we had a double top. So you have equal sized candles with fairly long wicks against a key level. In this case, it wasn't really. I had pre-market high. I don't know what that's, maybe from another day. I don't know, but anyway, you can really see that there's a symmetry there, and so again, wait for that confirmation, 15-minute candle, and then enter there. And as you can see, these trades worked out pretty good. So I was kind of looking for this type of a trade this morning, and I'm just going to move this up a little bit. So this morning things were kind of running up, so I was a little bit more hesitant because I just feel like those trades are better in a down market, and this is quite clearly an up market. So I wasn't expecting it to go very far if it did work out. Anyway, the first time price got up to 77, we all know in the trading room that I'm in, the 77 is typically a very, very strong resistance the first time it's hit after a while. And it had not been hit, since, we were about, I don't know, 3 hours, and that was a level below. So it did reject pretty strongly. I didn't get the first rejection off the 77. I looked straight at it when it was happening. I didn't do it. It was a great trade, and I thought, you know what? If it comes back to that again, I'm going to get the next one. So I was watching carefully, and as it kind of came up to the 77 again, I put a sell stop order down here at 72. And the reason I did that is that I want to be in harmony with the market. I don't want to be shorting up here at 77 as it's coming up, because it could just keep going. But if I have a resting stop sell order sitting right here, then if it rejects, then I'm already pointing in the right direction, and it's going to pick me up as it goes down. So that's exactly what happened. It rejected really strongly. I would not have been able to just like click sell as it was hitting 72. I would have missed it. But since I had a stop sell order in there, I picked up the trade, and it came down and it gave me my target, which was about, actually, it didn't hit my target. I had a target at 62. I got at 64. But anyway, so that was a good trade. And then with that, we had the double top. So that's the kind of thing that I was looking for, that I saw, like over here, this double top, which turned out really good. And this double top kind of turned out good, and this double top. So I saw the double top on the 77 against the 77. I saw it on the. I was looking at it more, a lot more apparent. You know, when you're looking at a 15-minute chart to see some of these things. And of course, yeah, I didn't keep going, see, because we are in an up market. So I'm glad that I just took a short, more of a scalp on it than anything. But anyway, there was this double top. I had the confirming 15-minute red candle to confirm the top, and then I was looking for my entry here, right here at 7 o'clock. And it's great to get an entry at the top of the hour because generally there's a little extra volume push that you'll see. So here we are at 7 o'clock, and I put a sell stop order again in here at 58, and a strong rejection, picked it up 58. Came back, gave it one little more bounce, but again, we had the 15-minute EMAs, the 8-9 EMA here, protection as protection, and we had the 5-minute 9 EMA here as protection. So we had all this protection here as we bounced up against it, and then the top of the hour volume just flushed it down nicely to my target, which was somewhere around 48. This one I probably could have had an extra 5-point target on, just because it was that double top on a 15-minute time frame. But again, we're in an up market, right? We are in an up market, and so this is, I mean, it's kind of a counter trend trade, to be honest with you. We were still above this green line here. This is a 15-minute, 20-period EMA. We're above the 50. So I just was scalping this for 10 points at a time. But anyway, I got those 3 trades in a row, right? I got the 77 short. I got the, oh, there's one more I didn't show you. I'm sorry. I got this short, which was the double top short. And then for my last trade that I just did, wow, it's really cranking off this low, cranking off this 15-minute 20. But anyway, what I got here is I saw a triple top against the 5-minute 9 EMA, and I like 3-wave patterns a lot. Things often come in threes, I find, especially when it comes to shorts. You'll find a triple top, and then when the third top is actually against one of your EMAs that you like, I call this the money line sometimes. I went ahead and put one more time. I did that stop sell order so that I would be picking up the rejection as it rejected. So I had a stop sell order in 44, and I had a cover at 34. I was going for 10 points, 40 ticks, and I got that also. So those were the 3 trades I got just now. I'm up about $1,000 with just those 3, doing 4 micros on 5 accounts, copy trading 4 accounts, so a total of 5 with 4 micros each, 20 micros per trade, like 2 minis basically, the equivalent of 2 minis per trade, and scalping out 10 points, 10 points, 10 points, or 8 points, 10 points, 7 points, whatever it was. Worked out really good. So that's it for now. I may not trade the New York session because I feel like that's 3 winning trades in a row with over $1,000 in profits is probably fine. But here it is, going against the 77 one more time. But anyway, that's it for right now. If I do take any more trades in the New York session, I'll probably make a separate video of that. Okay.